What's up, y'all? My name is Chenise and I create lifestyle videos and tutorials. If you are new here, join the fam. Go ahead and give me a subscribe and turn on that notification bell. And without further ado, let's get into this tutorial on how I created this bomb Bantu knot. Here we go. So I'm starting off on freshly blown out hair. I did blow dry on the cool setting, which is why she's really big and poofy, but you know, it's all good in the hood. So literally all I'm going to do is just one by one section my hair, work in medium sections. I probably end up having about 10 to 12 Bantu knots at the end, and then I'm just using an oil because you don't want to use any ingredient that has water in it because it will shrink up your hair and it'll go back to curly, and we wanted a defined certain kind of spiral curl, not our normal curl for this Bantu knot out. You see me twisting from the end to the root, really making sure I'm moisturizing my hair with that oil, and eventually you will ravel up in a spiral. And I'm just going to use a bobby pin. I'm using a bobby pin to secure it at the ends. Please remember that you will have to continue to twist all the way up until you're ready to secure the ends. This way you do not have any straight pieces at the end like you'll see me have once we finish this video. That's about it. Just enjoy me doing the rest of my hair in these Bantu knots, and we will come back the next day when I am all ready to go and take them out. We are back. I'm using my homemade shea butter mix to just put on my fingertips as I unravel these Bantu knots carefully. Remove the bobby pin. You don't want to be too rough, and then you'll see me kind of coat my hair in the shea butter that I have on my fingertips. This DIY shea butter has been keeping my hair extremely moisturized during these cold behind months in Georgia, and I love it because I know exactly what I put in this cream. No kind of toxins, 100% natural. For the most part, I am loving how this came out. I had one little mishap on the other side. It's a little bit too straight of my liking, the ends, because I think it came out when I was sleeping. But you know, the show must go on. Now I am just carefully unraveling. And this is all up to taste. Like if you want your curls a little bit more chunky, then you don't unravel and separate as much. If you want a little bit more, you know, a little messy and each thing is detailed or whatever, then you will unravel as much as you like. So that is basically it. This is honestly one of my go-to styles when I want somewhat of a straight look, but I don't want to apply the heat of flat ironing, and I'd rather just, you know, just stop at blow drying but still have some sort of curl, some sort of style. This is what I love to do, Bantu nada. And again, you can rock the Bantus until you feel like taking them out, to be honest, because they're an amazing style with them in and with them out. I hope y'all really enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below. And again, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and join the fam. I create videos weekly, and make sure you give me a follow on Instagram, Globetrotter Curls, and I will see y'all next time.